Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send Bitcoin from Exodus wallet. To send Bitcoin you have to first of all open Exodus wallet, launch Exodus wallet on your mobile phone or computer. So next step you're going to do is click on wallet tab and then click send, and then you enter recipient's address. You can paste the address or scan a QR code to get that. Next, you enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send in the amount field. You can choose to send a specific amount or a percentage of your balance. Next, review the transaction details, especially the recipient's address, to make sure it's correct and make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Then click on confirm transaction. And once you do that, Exodus will prompt you to confirm the transaction again. Wait for the transaction to process and be confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain. This may take several minutes or longer depending on the network congestion and fees. Important notice: check the recipient's address. Please make sure that you enter the correct address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong address. Then also, Exodus allows you to send Bitcoin in different units such as BTS, MBTS, or bits. Make sure you use the correct unit to avoid sending the wrong amount. Exodus will also automatically calculate the fee for the transaction. You can adjust the fees to prioritize speed or costs. Transaction limit also. Exodus may have transaction limits in place to protect your account if you need. To send a large amount of Bitcoin, you may need to contact Exodus support. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.